Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Rav4 headlight. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then turn off the ignition and disconnect the battery. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing, remove the cover or screws, and gently unplug the bulb connector. Replace the bulb without touching the glass, secure the housing, reconnect the battery, and test the beam to confirm proper installation and alignment. With the hood open, locate the headlight housing and remove any screws or clips holding the cover. Unplug the bulb connector by squeezing the tab and pulling it straight back, then unfasten the retaining clip that holds the bulb in place. Gently remove the old bulb without forcing it, checking the socket for corrosion or debris. Clean the area if needed, and prepare the new bulb for installation by handling it only by the base. Install the new bulb by aligning the tabs and pushing it straight into the socket until it seats securely, then fasten the retaining clip. Reconnect the bulb connector and replace any housing covers or screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery, start the vehicle, and check the headlight for proper function and aim. If the beam seems off, adjust the headlight aiming screws until the light pattern is centered for safe nighttime driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.